Incredible rally in GameStop today.
Ignoring all valuations, all fundamentals.
GameStop, of course, over the last 3 days into today up more than 80% as those message board traders simply send it higher.
They're not changing the actual economics of the company, and there's going to be a reckoning.
All eyes seem to be on GameStop.
GameStop to the moon and back.
The enormous gains in GameStop.
This has now reached levels of insanity here.
You're witnessing the French Revolution of finance.
There is a rebellion aspect to it. There's an anti-establishment aspect to it.
Secretary Yellen and others are monitoring the situation.
It turns out it's actually going to be the brokers taking the punch bowl away.
Today, Robinhood and other major online brokerages taking action to try and limit what they call the risk tied to the wild moves.
It's non-negotiable for us to comply with our financial requirements.
Now that we have some of these brokers saying that they're not going to be able to trade some of these names, or they're limit options, GameStop pulling back from its highs.
These are like pretty deep losses.
Robinhood going to flick the switch back on, at least partially.
Those restrictions are now easing, and you see a major comeback in some of these stocks.
GameStop, whippy action over the last week. Now we're seeing that stock up by 64%. Wow, what a week.
One of the most extraordinary weeks.
It's snowballing and snowballing and snowballing.
The house of cards may finally be starting to collapse.
GameStop really plunging here in the pre-market.
Today, those trades are really reversing.
We did see GameStop looking like it's going to close down here by almost about 60%.
Is the GameStop story over now?